Welcome back to Internet Affiliate Secrets. I'm your host, Lionel Drew, and today we're diving into something that can completely change the way you build your affiliate marketing business. Let me start with the simple truth. Social media is rented land. Think about that for a second. Every post you make, every follower you gain, every video you upload, you don't actually own any of it. The platform does. And at any moment, algorithms can change, accounts can get restricted, reach can drop, and just like that, your audience disappears. Now, don't get me wrong, social media is powerful. It's one of the best tools we have to get traffic, build visibility, and connect with people. But if you're building your entire business on it alone, you're building on borrowed ground. And that's where most people get stuck. They chase views, chase likes, chase followers, but they never build a real asset. So what is the real asset? Your email list. Your email list is the only thing you truly own in your affiliate marketing business. It's your direct line to your audience. No algorithm, no middleman, no limitations. Just you and the people who trust you enough to hear from you. And here's why that matters. When someone joins your email list, they're raising their hand and saying, "I'm interested in what you have to offer." That's a completely different level of connection than a random social media scroll. This is where relationships are built. This is where trust is developed. And this is where real income starts to happen. Because instead of hoping your content gets seen, you can directly reach your audience anytime you want, 24/7. Now let's take it a step further. Imagine creating a social media post, not just for likes, but as a gateway. A post that continues generating clicks day after day, leading people into your world, onto your email list, and into your system. That's how you stop chasing traffic and start building leverage. That's how you go from hustling to building something sustainable. And this is exactly what I've been learning and implementing with my mentor, Wayne Crow, inside the OLSP system. What I love about this system is that it doesn't just tell you what to do, it shows you how to do it the right way. We're talking about real strategies, real systems, and real training that help you build an actual business, not just chase quick wins. And here's the part that really stands out. You can actually get paid while learning. That's right. This is an earn as you learn affiliate marketing program. So instead of spending months trying to figure things out with no results, you're able to start applying what you learn and earning along the way. It's practical, it's structured, and it's designed for people who are serious about doing affiliate marketing the right way. We focus on best practices, things like building your list, creating value-driven content, understanding your audience, and setting up systems that continue working for you long after you've put in the effort. Because at the end of the day, affiliate marketing isn't about chasing trends. It's about building assets, assets that grow, assets that compound, assets that pay you over time. And your email list is at the center of all of it. So if you're listening to this right now and you've been stuck relying only on social media, I want you to shift your mindset starting today. Use social media as a tool, but build your foundation on something you own. Start thinking long term. Start thinking like a builder. Start thinking like a business owner. And if you're ready to take that next step, I want you to go to oolsplive.com. That's where you can plug into the same system I'm using, get access to free live training, and start learning how to build your affiliate marketing business the right way with guidance, support, and a proven path. Before we wrap up, if you're getting value from this podcast, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you're working on or what you're struggling with. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, check the description and the bio around this podcast for daily bonuses and more information about the OLSP Earn While You Learn program. This is your opportunity to stop renting and start owning.
I'm Lionel Drew, and this is Internet Affiliate Secrets. I'll see you in the next episode.